How to use Mail Merge in Microsoft Word for mass emails. Welcome to today's tutorial on how to use Mail Merge in Microsoft Word for mass emails. Mail Merge is a powerful tool that allows you to personalize and send bulk emails efficiently. Whether you're sending newsletters, announcements, or promotional emails, Mail Merge can save you a lot of time. First, ensure your data is ready in an Excel spreadsheet or a CSV file. Include columns for recipient names, email addresses, or any other personalized information you want to include in your emails. Open Microsoft Word and create a new document. Go to the Mailings tab and click on Start Mail Merge. Choose Email Messages. Next, click Select Recipients and choose Use an Existing List. Navigate to your data file and select it. Choose the sheet or table within the file containing your recipient information. Compose your email in Word to personalize it. Use Email Merge fields. These fields pull information directly from your data source. For example, use first name to address recipients by their first names. Preview your emails using the Preview Results button. Ensure everything looks correct, then click Finish and Merge, then Send Email Messages. In the dialog box, ensure To is set to the column containing email addresses. Customize the subject line and choose your email format, then click OK to start the merge. And that's it. You've successfully used Mail Merge in Microsoft Word to send personalized mass emails. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.